Good day, good day, good day. Welcome to another segment of Engaging Life with Pastor Musawa Gambatselo. Please don't forget YouTube channel, More Zion Music. Follow us and like. Don't forget also to subscribe. TikTok, Engaging Life. Says we again that when this camera, whereby it crossed our rock of salvation is commemorating Youth Day, and again inamabandla khona la sesifikile khona la Dr. John Dube, whereby we'll be celebrating my youth executives from other ministries and churches per se. My sister, nangomunye sinayo one of the participants okanye one of the members sase Christ Rock of Christ our Rock of Salvation usisi ukuthi ubani from which circuit and kusho ukuthini uku-embrace ubuyouth bakhe since we are marking 50 years celebration okanye commemoration ye-youth. Good day, my sister.
Sanibonani, igama lami ukuthi ngingizandile wakwaSikhosana Everin. Ngikuse-branch vele yaseVerin.
Wow, okay. Usebranch yaseVerin. Please tell us, ubu-youth, yes, since we are here commemorating ubu-youth, kusho ukuthini kuwe?
Ngasho ngithi baleke khulu ngoba kuwe bengabaleki ngaba ngikho la. Ukuba kwami la kusho khona ukuthi ngize ngokuzozichenya ngokuba yi-youth. Ukuba sesigabeni sabantu abatsha, so lokho kungijabulisa kakhulu futhi hawa ngiyazi vele nje laba esithumele bona namhlanje bathi sokuphikisana nawo ngesivezwe.
Osho nje
hawa ngesivezwe.
The message per se, since youth ka 76 and celebrating 50 years of anniversary, do you think the fight back, was it worth it?
Yeah, I can say so. Even though lento lebe bayilwela kudala, still sesekhona some challenges sesenayo lokho bebakulwela kwemfundo yamahala ungazange ku-achieveke kudala. Sisakulwela namhlanje njengoba kusazokuba ne-march and march, silwela zona zokuthi mde bakhambe sikhona ukuthi sithole sithole amandla or sithole lento lebelola i-youth yaka-79 sithole ngokwengomthetho.
Okay, we share usisi amagama akhe lawa which we support also. Listen, don't forget YouTube channel More Zion Music, like, subscribe. TikTok, Engaging Life. You can hear background yako, we are doing la. Still, we are here commemorating.